I spent $99 on premium AI tools and compared them to their free versions across writing, design, video editing, and coding. And honestly, I was not expecting these results. In this video, I'll show you exactly when free is good enough and when paid is actually worth it, with real side-by-side examples. I'm from AI Crunch, where we break down the smartest AI tools and how to actually use them in real life. I tested 4 categories: AI writing, AI image generators, AI video editors, and AI coding assistants. Same task, free version versus paid version. Let's start with writing. First test, ChatGPT Free versus ChatGPT Plus at $20 per month. I asked both to write a 500-word blog post on how AI is changing remote work. ChatGPT Free gave me a solid draft in 30 seconds. Good structure, clear points, minimal editing needed. ChatGPT Plus gave me a slightly better draft with more nuanced examples and smoother transitions, but it only saved me about 5 minutes of editing time. Here's the thing, for most writing tasks, the free version is already really good. Unless you're writing 10+ articles every single day, and those 5 minutes add up, you're not getting enough value from the upgrade. Verdict: for most writing, free ChatGPT is good enough. Unless you write 10+ articles daily, save your money. Second test, Canva Free AI versus Canva Pro at $13 per month. I created a YouTube thumbnail concept for an AI tools video. Canva Free had limited templates and no background remover. I had to manually crop images and work around the restrictions. It took about 30 minutes. Canva Pro gave me instant background removal, thousands more templates, and magic resize for different platforms. Same thumbnail took me 10 minutes. That's 20 minutes saved per thumbnail. If you make thumbnails weekly, that's 80 minutes per month, totally worth $13. But if you only make a thumbnail once a month, the free version is fine. Verdict: if you create visual content weekly, Canva Pro is worth it. If you only make thumbnails once a month, stick with free. Third test, CapCut Free versus CapCut Pro at $8 per month. I edited a 5-minute YouTube video with auto captions and B-roll. CapCut Free had watermarks on exports and a 1080p resolution limit. It also had fewer B-roll options in the stock library. CapCut Pro removed watermarks, gave me 4K exports, and unlocked way more stock footage and effects. The editing process was smoother and faster. If you post videos weekly, those watermarks and resolution limits are deal breakers. $8 per month is nothing compared to the time and quality upgrade. But if you only post once a month, the free version works fine. Verdict: if you post videos weekly, CapCut Pro pays for itself. If you post once a month, free is fine. Fourth test, GitHub Copilot free trial versus paid at $10 per month. I wrote a Python script to automate data scraping and save it to a CSV file. Both versions wrote working code. But the paid version gave me faster suggestions, better context awareness, and fewer errors to fix. Here's the difference. If you code every single day, those faster suggestions save you hours per month. $10 is a no-brainer, but if you only code occasionally, free tools like ChatGPT are already good enough for writing and debugging code. Verdict: if you code daily, Copilot paid is a no-brainer. If you code occasionally, free tools like ChatGPT are enough. Here's my honest ranking of which AI tools are worth paying for in 2025. Tier 1, worth it if you use them weekly, Canva Pro, CapCut Pro, GitHub Copilot. Tier 2, only worth it if you use them daily, ChatGPT Plus. Tier 3, not worth it yet, AI voice generators and AI presentation tools. The free versions are still too close in quality. Here's the big lesson. Don't pay for AI tools just because they exist, or because everyone's hyping them up. Pay when the paid version saves you real, measurable time every single week. If a tool saves you 1 hour per week and costs $10 per month, that's 4 hours saved for $10. That's worth it. If a tool saves you 5 minutes per month, it's not. Comment below which AI tool you're paying for, and if you think it's actually worth it. I'm curious to see what's working for you. And if you want to see how I use AI tools to save over 6 hours a week on work tasks, watch my video where I tested 7 AI tools to automate my entire work week. I'll link it on screen now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.